Hey everyone, my name is Apurva. I'm an engineering graduate with specialization in electronics and communication engineering. Within 31 weeks of joining Alma Better, I secured job at Shelfworks India Private Limited as a junior data scientist. So data science caught my eye during my 12th standard, where I came across bioinformatics, where analysis of biological data is done. And also like the chatbots and targeted advertisements while shopping online grabbed my attention. Data science is a vast field and it takes almost like 2 years to complete a degree in college with no practical knowledge and no real time projects. Almabet's unique and well designed curriculum grabbed my attention, and also the pay of the placement model gives the students freedom to focus on exploring the world of data science. Learning data science will be costly in many institutes. As a student, it is crucial to invest your time and money in the right institute. Unlike other institutes, Alma Beta pay after placement model provides secure learning experience. The risk-free educational approaches by Alma Beta is something that every data science enthusiast would appreciate. Alma Better helped me in transforming my career. Actually, like I was a 2020 graduate, ended up without getting a placement from the college. So I was waiting for some other opportunity since I'm from electronics and communication background. Obviously, electronics people will be wishing to get into core company, right? That was there in my mind. But unfortunately, even that opportunity I missed. So Alma Better completely changed my career goal. So I'm now enjoying the data science. As it's entirely new to the data science with just a knowledge of mathematics and statistics concepts, Alma Better allowed me to learn from scratch. With unlimited access to the pre-recorded classes, I was able to learn at my own pace. Moreover, the study material and exciting assignments made my learning experience as a pro programmer flawless. Alma Better curriculum made it so easy so that I can learn everything effectively, even programming languages like Python. Also, the pro program subscription fee was affordable and it was refunded after completing the course. I would highly recommend Alma Beta Pro program to anyone looking to build career in the data science industry. The one-on-one mentorship sessions help me to understand the interviewer's perspective basically, and the mentor guided us to deliver the content by relating it to the real world examples, and like they helped us in finding our weak points and how to work on them. Capstone project helped us in experimenting the data with the team. Capstone project is all about team collaboration where we used to share our knowledge, which was very helpful in growing as a person. Capstone project also prepared us to work on the real time project, and it helped us how do we approach the problem and how do we break it down. My placement journey as a pro program member at Alma Beta was well designed and very beneficial. We had resume building sessions, helped us creating an effective resume for the actual interviews. And also we used to have a mock interview sessions where we learned how to articulate and present a concept effectively in front of the interviewers. Moreover, Alma Beta conducted the revisions and group discussion classes, which helped us to communicate and learn from our peers effectively. And also, like every week, we were given some topics to do personal branding on LinkedIn and all, so which increased my profile visibility to the recruiters. My journey at Alma Beta was like a boosting algorithm where I sequentially boosted my skills where I was lagging. So my advice to other students considering becoming a part of Alma Better family would be to enjoy the learning part and leave the rest to the Alma Better.